갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
Brothers and sisters, man, you just get little thing when I come across. So before I go drop the bomb, I first greet my people back home. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, according to your time zone, wherever you are in the world. You know, my brothers and sisters, we will dey Europe here. Now, by the grace of God, now we take reach here. If not by our power, we for no feel reach here. You know, I just come across one or two today. I was not. To me, I know say yes. Now wetin go come up last. You know, according to the revelation wey we dey see. You know, if we dey talk to people wey dey Nigeria, say make una vote for the right person. Make una no sell una conscience. Make una no say una vote. Now, if you say we dey lie. Now, if you say we don't know wetin we dey do, you know, a politician wey come today, give you 1,000, give you 2,000, give you 5,000. You no go expect and say when you don dey office, na your own you go come dey attend to. You go wan get the money back. You understand? Una no know whether I collect loan, una no know whether I sell a property, una no know whether I do ritual wey be say man after everything you must get refund. Now this thing we dey talk, you know, Nigeria, now about Nigeria particularly. Take a look at Edo State today. Let me start from there. The population of Edo State in Europe is uncountable. But take a look at the state. Nothing to write home about. Before them will reach rainy season, all their mind on the cut. Make dry season come. At the end of the day, still yet no way forward. You know, look at the governor of recent. We will dey here. If you see my brothers and sisters, education. You will get the whole thing. Say okay, you get PhD, you get masters, you get any degree where you never leave that country. My brother is useless. Believe me. If na only school sat you get, you enter Europe, my brother. No be person go tell you if you go back to that country. If you know yourself, you will be respected because you don't see the way they live life. You don't experience, you don't expose to many things. Your orientation don't change. That is why we will come here. Whether some of us go school, whether some of us not go school, we don't see because we get access to internet. We get access to internet. If we dey tell una say that country Nigeria don't go, make una dey believe us. Make una dey believe us. We know if na for we will dey here. We fit live our life here. We fit die. See now who die don't go. Now who dey alive. Now the reason say this my person died. Who die no know. You don't go. If I see the international disgrace where they go on, I go even let my brothers and sisters make them observe am by themselves. No be say na me make am or no be say na we make am. No. Now for the betterment of those people back home. Wetin just make me come out today? I not too dey used to all this social media, live presenter or whatever. I not too get time for it, you know. Now due to this lockdown, that make some of us dey house. You understand? I just come across something today. I was pissed off, which I go even let una even see am. No be makeup. Nobody make am up. It's there. If you get Android phone, I will direct you to the place and you see it and play it. Look at some activists back there in Benin, in Edo State. Some of them they come and say they shout 4+4, no 4. We don't say make anybody no support anybody. I'm not against anybody. Freedom of speech. But what I'm trying to say is this. You understand? According to the wrong information I'm giving them there, some people they say, man, the relief material wey dem send come, dem send go America, dem send go Italy, dem send go Spain, dem send go Holland, dem send go Belgium. Dem so my brothers and sisters wey dey talk that thing, come let me educate you. Let me educate you. Yes, dem send those things, but it was contaminated, which they refund it. Dem send it back to China. So don't come outside and say, man, if China can send those things to America, so why can't Edo State governor receive them? My brother, you know nothing. Don't deceive those people there. Not quite long of recent, when your so-called Minister of Information, like Mohammed, come outside and say, man, say President Trump call na so-called Jubril Buhari. Say he wan support am with 200 and something ventilators, some item, you know. But now you come outside dey talk say, man, America receive something for Chinese. My brother, don't mislead people. Don't mislead people. You understand? Say the right thing. If we are calling Nigeria a zoo, Nigeria is a zoo. Internationally, they recognize Nigeria as a zoo. You understand? Let me play these things to you people to hear. My brother, just listen to me, you know. This is not makeup, and I will still direct you to go to the place and you make it yourself. Look at where am I now? This is Google. Okay. Google, which country is called a zoo?
Nigeria. According to The Nation, the zoo called Nigeria.
My brothers and sisters, una here, if you get phone, just go to this place. Look at it. I think you see am. Just press that place. When you press that place, listen to me again. Google, which country is called a zoo?
Nigeria. According to The Nation, the zoo called Nigeria.
My brothers and sisters, now hear what you dey talk. Okay, tell me now, if you can find this thing in Google and you will still be proud and proud of Nigeria, wetin you dey proud for? You cannot hold Nigerian passport here in Europe and be proud. Just look at. It's high time you people fight for your freedom. It's high time you people fight for freedom. Fight for your freedom and leave those dirty politicians. When if you deliver now, this is the time you people need those people most. This is the time you people need those people most. But look at them pushing and come outside. Just only 1 month. Let me just say 1 month lockdown. They cannot afford anything. They cannot chase the bill. They are running head scatter. And tomorrow, before you know, now still they shout 4+4 talk back. Wetin dey gba for here? No, men are tell me. I no dey against anybody. But for you to receive those contaminated items for Chinese, is very wrong, my brother. No way if you take defend am. There's no way. I'm pissed off for hearing this thing. So my brothers and sisters, take a look and think. Thank you.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도